This is milling machine of rice mill, and I am Ganesh. As you can see, this is panel, and it's called distoner. Its works is just to remove dust, and this is called husker, where rice and paddy separated from each other. You can see there are two husker, and this is called patty, and its work also similar like husker, just it separated rice from the paddy, and this is called whitener. There are three whitener: first pass, second pass, and third pass, and their works are to clean the rice and make it whiter, and this is called emptier. You can see that they're authorized. Now machine is not in working order, actually is stopped for some reason. There is work going on behind, so that's why. And this is called silky, and it's work to polish the rice with the water. Now we are entering in the sortex. So what is sortex? Already you people saw that there is written sortex in the bag of rice. So the work of sortex is just to remove rejected rice from the polished rice, and then it goes to the final tank. And here am I. This is me, Ganesh. Bye bye.